Hey, thanks for joining me again. Today I am sharing with you my thoughts about the MSR PocketRocket 2 stove. I've recently upgraded from my original PocketRocket 1, and the newer version is even cooler than the old. So it retails for about 45 bucks, and it weighs 2.6 ounces, comes with this little nifty carrying case, plastic carrying case, and the way this one works is it just kind of folds out, and it's got a nice stable surface for balancing your pot. Pretty simple product. There's not a whole lot to say about it. You just screw this onto a fuel canister, an isobutane fuel canister. And then you got full control over the flame level, how high the flame is going to be, with this valve right here, fully adjustable. Yeah, excellent product. Been very happy with it so far. And if it's anything like the original was, I suspect I'm going to have many years of enjoyment using this product. Thanks for watching.